JavaScript versus TypeScript. Well, TypeScript has types. That's it. You can leave the video right now. Just like Node was created to kill PHP and Dino was created to kill Node, TypeScript was created to kill JavaScript. So they're same but different. In fact, TypeScript is more Java-like than JavaScript itself. JavaScript doesn't have type, and we were just fine with it. But Microsoft was not. Maybe because JavaScript was not as boring as LinkedIn, so they created TypeScript. But did they really succeed? Let's dive right in. To define the old school variable, you can just var and 10 in JavaScript, put in the type, and it becomes TypeScript. If you want to define it the modern way, just let by hello. Put in the type, it becomes TypeScript, just like that. Then you want to define an immutable object, just define it. Provide a type, it becomes TypeScript. Comments are pretty much the same, be it single line, multi-line, or JS doc comments. But in case of TypeScript, the types are already defined on the function. These types are not necessary. Functions are pretty easy in JavaScript, but if you just put in the types, it becomes TypeScript. Allowed names for functions, variables, classes, and everything, they are just the same. Regex, just assign it in JavaScript. But in TypeScript, you need to give it the type. Arrays, they are pretty simple in JavaScript, just initialize them with square brackets. But in TypeScript, you need to provide the type again, and default type of any object is any. You want to initialize with numbers? Just keep the numbers. But in TypeScript, you have to tell it's a number. If you want to mix things up in JavaScript inside one array, you can just do it. So easy. But in TypeScript, I think you would rather go to gym. Objects in JavaScript are pretty simple. Maybe that's why they are used everywhere in the internet for communicating between different systems. But in TypeScript, you need to provide the type, which is object. If you need to put value into it, just do it. It's so easy. In TypeScript, again, you need to provide the type. The types in TypeScript are there to help you rather than to bother you, to catch errors and bugs before they even appear in compile time. For loops are pretty easy in JavaScript. Just let a variable, loop it until the condition, and do the increment or decrement, whatever you want. But in case of TypeScript, you need to provide the type even in the iterator variable, which will always be a number. If else, switch cases, while loop, do while loop, foreign loops, they're all the same in JavaScript and TypeScript. So here's the summary. You take JavaScript, you give types to it, it becomes typed JavaScript, right? Well, let's remove that extra D, and since Java has nothing to do here, we can remove that as well. And this is how we get the TypeScript. Subscribe.